Hey Melvin, why do you need so many sweaters? Isn't it very hot in Singapore? When do you even get a chance to wear it? Are you crazy? Hello everybody, my name is Melvin. Welcome to my channel, One Fashion Guide. I make videos about fashion designers, men's bag accessories and shoes. So if you like this kind of content, please remember to click on the subscribe button and also hit the notification button. As I was packing my clothes, I looked through the number of sweaters that I have and I think to myself, hey, why do you need so many sweaters? Singapore is so hot. So I thought that this could be an interesting topic to share with you the ranking of these 9 sweaters that I have. So I hope you will enjoy this coming video clip that I've made especially for you. So there you go, these are the 9 different sweaters that I have in my collection. Number 9. Coming in at number 9 is this zebra sweatshirt that I've gotten from Cosmos. As you can see, it has got a very colorful embroidery, and the embroidery is actually 3D. You can actually feel the texture when you run your fingers down the embroidery. I got this sweater because I was invited to one of the styling event at the Hilton Hotel.
At that time, they were having also a 20% discount for invited guests. So I went through their collection and then I decided that, hey, this sweater actually looks quite nice. Definitely very comfortable to wear, but it feels like something that you should be wearing at home.
In terms of it being my favorite in the pile of sweatshirt that I have, this one ranks the lowest. At number 8. At number 8, it is this Paul and Joe sweater. Now, Paul & Joe is a brand from France, and they are known for their rather vintage style of looks. People in Singapore or ladies in Singapore may know it for their cosmetic.
10 years ago, yeah, they have a boutique in Wisma, and at that point the clothes were relatively expensive. I got this sweater at Robinsons. They have a counter in the men's section. I think the original price was around $299, but I paid half the price, I remember. I bought this sweater for maybe 6 or 7 times, and still it looks as though it's brand new. Yeah, this is the label, Paul & Joe.
The weight of the sweater is not too heavy, therefore it makes it quite comfortable for you to wear in the office because it's quite lightweight. Number 7. At number 7, it will be this Kenzo sweater. About 2 or 3 years ago, Kenzo sweater was like every fashionista must have. So naturally I have to get one for myself.
This Kenzo sweater has got a huge logo applique across the body, and it is also done without like a 3D effect. The material for the front is French terry, whereas the back it is a woven fabric. So it's sort of like quite special. It has got this papery style to it. So when you wear, right, in front it gives you a matte look, but when you wear at the back it gives you like a sheen. There is a shine to it.
But however, when you wear it, the feeling is quite perplexed. So in front, you feel that it is very comfortable, but at the back, sometimes it's not too sweat absorbent. Number 6. At number 6, it will be this simple basic cut sweater from COS. This is a very interesting purple grey color. I am not sure whether you could see from the screen. Nothing special really, it's just a basic sweatshirt. But why I rank it at number 6? It's simply because it's so simple, it can go with any outfit. Also, for the price range at about $129, you do not tend to worry too much about getting stains on the sweater or destroying the sweater in any sense. So this is a very practical sweater that I've gotten from COS. Number 5.
At number 5, it is this COS sweater. It has got an irregular hem. The front is more rounded, whereas the back is a straight cut. At the side of the sweater, it has got two snap buttons where you could either make the split bigger or make the or close up the split. This sweater goes extremely well with like skinny jeans in darker colors or even skinny jeans in acid wash. It's got a very super sporty look to it. Even if you wear it with track pants, I think it will look very good.
So the price wise is also very affordable. I think I paid like less than 150 for this sweater. I absolutely loved it because the quality is not too thick and it's very suitable for the weather here in Singapore. Number 4. At number 4 will be my this Paul Smith sweater. Originally when I bought it, it was just a plain navy color sweater with a Paul Smith logo. Yeah.
So what happened was my mother was washing this and then she had stains, washing stains behind the flowers and also at the back of the sweaters here where the 3 appliques were done. I looked through the fabric collection that I have and I saw that I have this piece of fabric with a huge famous flower from Mary Marco, and I thought, hey, why not? I should just cut out the flower and then do my applique to cover up the stain so that I can give this sweater a new look.
In a way, I managed to salvage these sweaters and also I give it a new lease of life.
So I think they can marry quite nicely together, right? I mean, it's the eccentricness of Paul Smith's design plus the beautiful prints from Mary Marco. The reason why I did not rank this any higher is because this sweater is actually very heavy. So if you are going to wear this in Singapore, it's very, very hot.
So yeah, this is my Mary Marco sweater. Number 3. At number 3 will be my this beautifully beaded msgm sweater.
msgm is actually like I think they are more like a streetwear brand from Italy, and they are very known for their loud prints or sporty looks and sporty silhouettes. They also have a lot of garments in different colorways and different texture and embroidery techniques or even beading techniques. So what really attracted me was how beautiful this beadwork is. Look at all the beadworks. Isn't it amazing? The sweater actually comes with a spare beads that in case any part of this drops out, you are able to fix it back.
I've not sent it for dry clean, but my mother cleans it in the, I think she hand wash it. So everything is still very intact. I absolutely love this sweater a lot. So it's ranking in at my number 3. Number 2. My second best sweater will be this beautiful Loewe sweater.
It's got a cartoon print in front. Yeah, nothing quite special, but they have a very nice patch of label here, which is woven, especially woven, and at the back there is also another cartoon print.
2 years ago when I was celebrating my 40th birthday, 2 of my best friends, Jane, as I mentioned in my previous blog, and Wendy actually got me quite a substantial amount of voucher from Paragon. So I had to shop for something because of the voucher. Yeah, it gives me great excuse to shop. And at that time, Loewe was having discount for this sweater. The retail price was, I remember, it was around 790.
Yes, it's very expensive for a sweater, especially for quality like that. But they were having a 50% discount. So at the end of the day, I think I paid around 400 for this sweater. But it was a present from 2 of my best friends, and I'm treasuring this sweater a lot. So I do not wear them very often. So far I worn like maybe 3 or 4 times. But I think the value of the sweater is not equivalent to the value of our friendship.
So for me, this is more like a piece of or a sale of the friendship that I have with these 2 very good friends of mine. Number 1 is my most favorite sweater. It is actually a Vivienne Westwood sweater.
It says here time machine. It has got like a rustic or like a used look kind of print effect. Nothing special, just a heather grey sweater. But I think if you can see from the video, what is very special to me, I feel, is the fact that the cut of this sweater is very boxy and it gives me a very slim silhouette from the side view. I think a lot of people would have recognized the logo and they would know that this is a Vivienne Westwood. And because it's not like super popular in Singapore, so not a lot of people are wearing this look versus to something like Kenzo sweater, which you can see a lot of people on the street wearing.
I think now if you want to get Vivienne Westwood, you could either get it online or you could get it at their store at COS.
While doing this 9 sweaters, I realized that actually I have a 10 sweater and this is the one that I'm wearing. So this is a flowery sweater. I cannot stand up too high again because I'm wearing shorts, but this is a beautifully embroidered flower sweater. from Paul's Beef as well.
I hope you enjoyed today's video about the ranking of the 9 different sweaters that I have, and some of you may be asking me why Melvin, do you need so many sweaters in Singapore? It's crazy, it's so hot here. Yeah, I know it's very hot here, but I'm just waiting for that one rainy day. Where the temperature drops by like 2 degrees Celsius, and then you just have to wear a sweater to work. And it totally makes you feel like you're in Europe. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe, and then drink as much water as you can. And I see you in my next vlog. Thank you, bye! Is a winner, definitely a winner.